Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So for Hindi explanation, please visit my another channel IELTS 9 Hindi, and here I am going to explain it in English only. For this reading, we have already done this true, false, not given. I have explained it in detail, how to find location, how to find the correct answer, whether it is true, false and not given. You can visit this video also. Now here I am going to cover this question. Match each item with the period of time. Actually many students, they are feel like we can't find these kinds of questions, whether sometimes they may be giving you incomplete sentence, sometimes they may be giving you all like list of people, list of researchers. Here they have given list of periods of time. So I am saying, without reading anything from this passage, typically you can easily find correct answers with the help of only keyword strategy. I will just explain it in this video how. Suppose you have not read this reading, you have not watched this reading video for true, false, not given, because those who have watched this for true, false, not given, they must have read half of the reading with me. Okay, now coming to this question, match each item, because it's important to read the instructions till here. Match each item with the period of time it best corresponds with. Write the correct number A to F in boxes. So these are the A to F in boxes question 36 to these are the 36 to 40 number question. NB is also given. You may use any letter more than once. These letters means it may possible that any period of time, like suppose A, this Paleolithic era may in this era there may be two information giving like that. Suppose 36 and 38 these two information are in the same era, then definitely for these two questions we will put AA. So that is the thing they want to say. Okay, now of course we have to find these words one by one. We will find it in paragraph, but before that we will read all the options. Within 30 seconds we will just read and just come out with the locations. Every type of wood in England belong to some person or some community. Okay, means it was relating to property or some, it was belong to some person or community. 37 people use woodworking to create boats, houses and wheels, means they are using it, they are doing it some craft work. 38 animals kept expensive areas of land, animals kept expensive area of land clear without human interference. Okay, Campesina, that we have already read. This word was first used for woodland management. Okay, houses were made with short pieces of wood and longer pieces were used for religious building. Okay, now we have read. Now coming to this Paleolithic era, Bronze era, Iron. So anything you just read it and anything it will come out, we will read from there. So let's read. It's not necessary that you will get all these eras like in logical order and all. No, anywhere in the paragraph we can get it. So we will try to find these names from the first paragraph. And I have already read this Bronze and this Paleolithic era, what we have covered for true, false, not given. Let's look at the, I will show you passage also, question also. No need to get PDF and all. I am telling you, you do practice with me. And if you want some PDF, just do text me on my WhatsApp number. So let's do it. In first paragraph, I can't see any word here. Now I have opened B paragraph. We are looking for these age, era and these things. So your pencil should move like that. In this also nothing is there. I can't see anything. No. Okay. So period is there, Atlantic, but Atlantic period is not here in the list of this. Okay. So here in this also, let's look at this. Modern theory is this Paleolithic times is there, but we are looking for Paleolithic era. Okay, no issue. At least we have found something. Now times was covered from coast to coast in a wildlife of continuous trees. A modern theory, no. Let's look at the proper word. Yeah, this is the era. We are looking for this word. Now we have to find throughout, because here the word is here in the middle of the sentence, we have to read it from here. Throughout earlier interglacial periods, this may also have been the case in Britain, as creatures of this needed to roam large areas of grassland to survive. A variety of grassland plants continue to live there in the last, according to pollen records, however. Okay, so here also, and it was Western Europe wilderness was a combination of grassland, scrubs, growth. It was a dense, similar to kept by herbivores eating the plants and grass. And if you read proper line, throughout earlier interglacial periods, this may have been case creatures needed to roam large areas of grassland. So creature means animal and wildlife may be there. So I will show you the option also. This we have found, and let's read the options. Every type of wood belonged to some person or some community. Nothing was explained like that. People used woodworking to create boats, houses. No, nothing was there. Animals kept expensive areas of land clear without human interference. Animal creatures they were talking, and grassland also they were talking. So might be this answer. This word was also not there in that paragraph, and religious buildings were also not there. So we will select this A number. See this, they are talking about creatures, herbivores, and grasses also they are talking. So grass word is also matching. See this, areas of land clear without human interference, grassland, scrub, clusters, kept by. So this is properly matching. You can read it. I am showing you the location. I am showing you the question also. 38 number. We have matched it. Now next paragraph. Now next D paragraph we are, yes, grazing is here, but no, let's go to another era. Meanwhile, throughout the period since it spread northwards after the last glaciation, so we have already read this paragraph. Here also they are talking about animals, so they are continuing with the Paleolithic era, this thing. See this animal is there. Okay, next one is, let's move to next paragraph, E paragraph, Mesolithic era. So this we needed, this one, yes, E1 we have found it, and let's read it. And did evidence of the beginning of agriculture emerges. Agriculture wheat such as plantain, sting, nettle was also increasing in number. Nearly all the wildwood was cut down as the population increased rapidly. However, the falling, no, so they are talking about, let's look at this. Every type of wood in England belonged to some person. No, they are not talking about wood, boats and wheels. Animal, this we have done. Was first used for, no, this word is there or not? So this word is not there. Mesolithic. Agriculture wheat such as plantation also increasing. Nearly all wood was cut down as the population increased. The bronze area is also there. So I am not able to match anything. Let's move to bronze area also. Then we will come back again. Bronze area, Bronze Age. People were cutting down trees. So this word is there. See this, were cutting down trees more than before until the prevalence of the practice this peaked. So this word is there in this, was first used for woodland management. So definitely I will just mark it B number with bronze. So we have selected this also, we have selected A also. Okay, now coming to next, Neolithic. Okay, so next one is Iron Age. See this next paragraph, Iron Age. Celtic people living in were able to master woodworking as an art form. It means they were able to doing their artwork with wood. So it means, so see this, houses, boats, wheels, it is given. So house, boats, wheels. So we will select this Iron Age. So this also we have selected. Iron Age is C. Okay. So next one is Romans. Yes, Roman is also there. Roman Let's read what about Romans they are saying. A clear divide has existed between wooded and non-wooded regions of Britain since the times of Romans, as evidenced by this book. All wood in England had an. Let's move to next page. Now here we are reading about Romans. Romans is F number, and what they are saying, as evidenced by this book, all wood in the England had an economic value, was the property of either an individual or community owner. See this individual, it was belonged to some person, means individual, or some community. See, community is also there. So with Romans we can just mark it F first, 36 number. Now this is left. Okay, so these two ages are left. Okay, so next paragraph we can read it. Here nothing is there. So next last paragraph is also English woodlands produce mostly underwood fuel, but I am looking for any longer pieces of timber had come. Church is also there. So what they are talking about, underwood used as fuel, medieval era. See this, medieval era and church were hard to come and kept only for elaborate buildings intended for the church. Church is religious building, and houses were made with short pieces of wood and longer pieces were used for religious buildings. So it means they are talking about medieval era. This is D number. So in this way we have finished only with the help of these keyword strategy, but I have taken time because I was just explaining it and pages were like that, so I have to adjust my pages and all.